Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI. I am a side sleeper, which means that oftentimes I do wake up with a sore neck, tightness in my shoulders. So it's really been hard for me to find a pillow that is comfortable, that I love, but also makes me feel good the next day. So I wish I got these pillows sooner than I did. Honestly, they're so comfortable. These are the Beckham Hotel Collection queen size luxury gel pillows. You can see the size here. They're just kind of like a average standard size pillow, but they're super plush and fluffy and comfortable. I like that they're the perfect in-between of a firm pillow yet a soft pillow, if that makes sense. When you sleep on them, your head kind of just falls into the pillow, and as soon as you get up, it becomes plush and fluffy again. So to me, in my opinion, that is a fantastic pillow. I also like that they're really cooling because I tend to sleep on the hotter side. So the fact that this gel pillow can keep me cool is also really great. I know that they're machine washable, which is another plus. I would just air dry them, but it's a great way to keep your pillows clean and last even longer. So I am super happy with these pillows. It feels like you're hugging a big or being wrapped around in a big down comforter. So just imagine the comfort, like you're in a hotel room. So super comfortable. I think you guys will love them just as much as I do, and that's my point of view.